What factors impact the speed of solar roll-forming lines? The speed of a solar structure roll-forming line depends on several engineering, mechanical, and material-related factors that determine how smoothly the machine can shape steel channels for solar mounting systems. High-speed performance requires a balanced combination of precise tooling, optimized automation, and stable coil feeding processes. Below are the key elements that directly influence production speed and overall line efficiency. 1. Material thickness and strength. Thicker coils or high-tensile materials demand more forming power, which naturally reduces the maximum running speed. Lighter and softer materials allow faster production without sacrificing profile accuracy. 2. Roll tooling quality. Precision ground roll tools with correct forming passes minimize friction, vibration, and deformation. Superior tooling design enables the line to run at higher speeds while keeping the profile dimensions stable. 3. Number of forming stations. More stations improve shape quality but can slow the production rate. The line must be designed with an optimal number of stands to balance speed and accuracy for the solar profile. 4. Punching technology. Hydraulic punching is slower, while servo or continuous punching units significantly increase output. Punch layout, hole diameter, and pitch also affect running speed. Punching plays a major role in speed performance. Servo punching highest speed. Continuous punching efficient for repetitive holes. Hydraulic punching accurate but slower. We integrate the best option according to the customer's solar profile design. 5. Cutting method. A flying shear cutting system allows non-stop production, keeping the line moving even during cutting, which boosts final output. Stop cutting systems reduce speed due to continuous start/stop movements. 6. Automation and control. Advanced pluses, servo drives, and real-time sensors ensure smooth strip feeding and accurate forming. Better automation enables higher line speed with consistent quality. A powerful decoiler, precise straightening system, and stable guiding section prevent vibration and misalignment. Any instability in feeding immediately slows down the line. 8. Profile complexity. Simple CUU or angular solar channels can be formed faster. Profiles with ribs, steps, embossing, or deep bends require slower forming speeds for accuracy. 9. Maintenance condition. Clean rollers, aligned stations, and well-maintained bearings ensure smooth, high-speed operation. Even small misalignments reduce speed and cause defects. At LOTOSFORMING, we design high-efficiency solar structure roll-forming lines engineered for precision, durability, and maximum production speed. The output speed of a solar roll-forming line depends on several technical factors that influence forming accuracy, machine stability, and the overall performance of the production system. Understanding these factors helps customers choose the right configuration for their solar mounting channel project.